Esteemed colleagues, I rise today on a matter of personal and collective privilege. It has come to my attention that during a meeting, which was also streamed live last September 14 on Facebook, Councilor Wewel de Leon made a statement that is not only misleading, but also damaging to the integrity of our council. To quote him, at kung alam po natin lahat, yung nakita nating nag-viral, si Carlos Yulo, di ba yung kababayan natin nakakuha ng gintong medalya, bago pa po siya makakuha ng gintong medalya, ang kapitbahay po ninyo si Konsehal Wewel de Leon, sa aking pagsasaliksik, nakatuklas ako ng tatlong kabataang kapitbahay natin. Dalawang magkapatid na taga-barangay 86, isang taga-barangay 20, nakasumpit ng gintong medalya sa nakaraang SEA Games. Agaran po akong gumawa ng resolusyon bilang konsehal. And he furthered, and I again quote, nung binasa na po ang resolusyon sa ilalim, kung sino ang may akda, kung sinong author, sinong may gawa, nung binabasa na pumuli, hindi na yung pangalan ko ang binanggit. Madam Chair, this statement implies that his name was unjustly removed or omitted as the author of a resolution during its reading. Such an accusation strikes at the core of our council's transparency and fairness. Let me manifest, Madam Chair, that this council adopted resolution number 3978 series of 2023, a resolution congratulating and commending Carl Dale Angel G. Navarro and John Harvey Angelo G. Navarro for winning a bronze medal in Jiu-Jitsu men's duo in the recently concluded 32nd Southeast Asian Games held at Phnom Penh, Cambodia. This resolution gave commendation to the siblings who are residents of Barangay 86, Caloocan City. The final approved copy shows that it was sponsored by Honorable Emmanuel S. De Leon himself, with his name appearing first and above all the other names of the rest of the city councilors who were also sponsors. It was signed by Councilor De Leon and other sponsors and adopted on May 31, 2023. This council also adopted a resolution number 4049 series of 2023, a resolution extending congratulations and commending the winning of Mark Jason Fernando Galauran in the World Junior Powerlifting Championship 2023 at CLUJ, Napoca, Romania. Mike Quezon F. Galawan is a resident of Barangay 20. Councilor De Leon was one of the all sponsors and he signed the said resolution himself. Madam Chair, let me be clear. This council has always maintained a spirit of inclusiveness, integrity, and respect for due process. Members are always invited to co-author or be equal authors of resolution. And this practice has never been in question. The insinuation that names are being omitted from resolutions without justifications is categorically unfounded. Such a claim undermines the integrity of our institution, casting doubt on the diligence and professionalism with which we handle matters of public interest. It is unfortunate, Madam Chair, that Councilor De Leon has chosen to raise this issue in such a public and damaging manner. His words imply a deliberate effort to exclude, which is far from the truth. We are a body committed to fairness, cooperation, and transparency. Should there have been any issues or concerns regarding the ownership of a resolution, the appropriate course of action would have been a respectful dialogue within the council. Rather than the dissemination of misleading and damaging statements. Such reckless remarks can erode public trust in our council. They not only cast doubt on our work, but also distract from the meaningful discussions and decisions we are here to make for the benefit of our constituents. Madam Chair, I urge Councilor De Leon to retract his statement and seek clarification through proper channels moving forward. In closing, let us continue to uphold the values of transparency and respect and focus on the responsibilities entrusted to us. Let us not allow unfounded accusations to tarnish the good work we do for the people we serve. Thank you.
Thank you, Councilor.